Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to prepare easy and simple dish chicken vurwal. For this, first take a pan, heat oil, add mustard seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon, cloves and a green chili. Along with this you can directly add chicken, add little salt and mix well so that chicken gets coated in the oil. Okay. At this stage, add asafoetida, chili powder, garam masala, and coriander powder. Mix chicken well with all these dry ingredients. Once it is mixed well, you can add curry leaves. Again mix well. At this stage, the chicken will start releasing its own juice. At that time, close the lid, reduce the flame and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes in low flame so that chicken gets cooked well. And this is how it looks. Now it's ready. You can transfer chicken to a bowl. Yep, now it's transferred. Okay, chicken vurwal is ready. It goes well with sambar rice, curd rice, rasam rice. Okay friends, hope you liked it. Until we meet in next video, bye from Indo Cuisine. Bye bye.